Bro, I think she's crazy. Literally, she was like suffering trying to do like the yearbook, and now she's just like going crazy. Like I think she eats. This is her dancing move going pelvic, bro. What's wrong with her?
You gotta go and get angry that off of my honestly.
Bro, she's so slow. Superman! What the fuck? You still cannot get off their phone.
Bombastic side eye.
Nicholas with her, like, they have to.
Side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
I'm walking back home. So cold. I just skipped my first class because it was like 8 a.m. and I was just watching movies, so I skipped it. So my next class at 12. So right now I just woke up and showered, and then I'm gonna go cook breakfast. I'm still so tired. Bye. So this is gonna be my breakfast for today. Mayo, Nutella, and an egg. So yeah. I'm making coffee. And then, yeah. I also made eggs. It's so good, but I wasn't being able to make it hard though. But yeah, it's really good. Right now I'm doing my makeup. So I'm gonna go to school and then come back and then go to Haidilao. Next, I'm gonna be wearing this eyeliner by Cleo. So I just came back from a matcha place I ate with my friend, and then we yapped a lot, and then now I'm going with another group of friends to go to Haidilao and eat. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh. I should let my bangs grow, because I don't know, I feel like it's really hard to maintain bangs, you know. Okay, let's go. Another day, another day. We got cookies. Yay! With my Valentine. Where's your ring? Where's your ring? Oh, we're not ringing it. I forgot to wear my ring too. I forgot to wear my ring too. What's this girl doing, bro? Look at her. What is she saying? This girl keeps like whining about shit. Like, I'm so done with her. You know, I have to spend my Valentine with her. Scream louder! What is she saying? Guys, it's so beautiful. Our late night walk is so beautiful. We're walking to her house. It's so cold. Currently walking to buy some tomatoes. I made it home. I got I was craving a bit of charcuterie. I just bought this and some, I don't know, it's called biscuit and with pepperoni. I don't know. Guys, is it bad I couldn't No, it's not onion. Holy shit, mushroom. Garlic. Oh my god. And I forgot the name of this. I don't know how much I need. I think this is enough. Yeah, I need enough. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said this, but I'm making a tomato udon egg. So, guys, how do you cut this? Like, are you supposed to hold? So from what I understand, I'm supposed to put oil and then plunge all of this into. And then need 2 eggs. I kind of did like put the tomatoes a bit too late and But yeah, after this you just like mix it up and then